When the check engine light came on, I began diagnosing the issue. Using a scan tool, I retrieved several fault codes related to the evaporative emission (EVAP) system. P043E, Evaporative Emission System Leak Detection Reference Orifice Low Flow. P043F, Evaporative Emission System Leak Detection Reference Orifice High Flow. P2401, Evaporative Emission System Leak Detection Pump Control Circuit Low. P2402, Evaporative Emission System Leak Detection Pump Control Circuit High. And P2419, Evaporative Emission System Switching Valve Control Circuit Low. These codes pointed to potential issues with the EVAP system, which is responsible for capturing and containing fuel vapors to prevent them from being released into the atmosphere. I started by inspecting the EVAP system, including its components and connections, but found no visible damage or obvious faults. To further investigate, I sealed the EVAP system and connected a smoke machine to the EVAP service port. By introducing smoke into the system, I was able to pinpoint any leaks. Sure enough, I observed smoke escaping around the EVAP canister, confirming that the canister was faulty and causing the issue. After diagnosing the problem, I replaced the EVAP canister with a new one. Once the replacement was complete, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to ensure the repair was successful. This time, the vehicle operated properly, the check engine lights stayed off, and no fault codes returned. The EVAP system is crucial for controlling fuel vapors and reducing emissions. A faulty EVAP canister can lead to leaks, which disrupt the system's ability to contain vapors and can trigger fault codes in the vehicle's control system. Diagnosing the issue step by step allowed me to isolate the root cause and ensure that the system was properly sealed after the repair. Replacing the canister restored the EVAP system's functionality and prevented further emissions-related issues.